Hi everyone, Mitchell from Integrity Real Estate in Nowra. We are here in central Bomaderry, 6 Tallyang Street. We're right in the middle, we're close to the shops, close to schools, close to the train station. If this is something you'd be interested in, come and have a look at this. As we step out the back of 6 Tallyang Street, we have a beautiful undercover entertaining area. But my favourite part, we're also on a massive 1,000 square metre block, and as I said before, we are close to the shops, local schools and the train station. If this is something you'd be interested in, get in contact with us.